What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing some low beam bulbs on the Civic Sport from Auxito. Guys, let's get right into it. So, don't mind the car in today's video. It is extra dirty, but it's been raining and stuff. So, wanted to give a shout out right here. My wife got me these banners made so I could show my sponsors off in the video in the background. Panda Motorworks, Auxito, of course. We're putting these bulbs on today that Auxito sent us. So just wanted to show the banners off real quick. You all will be seeing those in the background of the video more often. And if you all need anything from either website, B. Lewis for Panda Motorworks, Brian Lewis for Auxito. All right, welcome to the Auxito unboxing table here. Let's see what they sent us here, some goodies. Oh yeah. So these are the low beams for the Civic. Guys, those look absolutely sweet. Thank you so much, Auxito, for sending us these. Absolutely incredible. I don't think this is going to be a very difficult install. The only thing I'm worried about is this hose. I'm pretty particular, and I have to find a way to route this and zip tie this clean. But that being said, let's get the hood popped and let's see what all we have to do to get these installed. Oh, real quick, I should mention these did come with zip ties, and it looks like some Velcro style stuff, maybe to hold this in place somewhere. So just wanted to throw that in there. That was awesome that they included that stuff. So anyways, let's get the hood popped and let's get it going. All right, I just shot a little before shot, but I'm not going to show it until the before and after I get these installed. So let's see what we got going on here. So the low beam bulbs are right here. So there's just these bulbs right here. It looks like it's going to be pretty easy to get to. So I'm going to get me a light and we're going to take this bulb out and see how difficult this is going to be to get this new Auxito bulb in. Alright guys, so move this light back a little bit. So the light we're getting to is right here. We'll push this tab down, pull it down to unplug it. Then we're going to rotate out, and boom, that comes right out. So let's compare the new one and the old one. So the new one's quite a bit heftier. And let's see what we can do with all this wiring. Sorry for the weird angle. I've got this wedged against my air box. So we'll set the old bulb to the side. I'm going to kind of get in here. See what kind of angle we can get this in at. Okay, not bad. Not a bad install. That went right in. So now it's just making sure I run this and this clean. So here's what we got going on, and really you can't even tell the wiring. I kind of tucked it under here. I don't even think any zip ties or anything will be necessary. So that was not bad at all, and really I don't think the wiring's in the way at all. I might mess with it a little bit off camera and get it exactly where I want it, but the bulbs on this Civic are super easy to replace. I'm going to do the other side. I'm not going to film it because it's the exact same process. There's nothing more like Some cars, one side's tighter than the other. This other side's wide open, just like this one. So super easy install today. So I'm gonna get the other side installed and then I'll show you all the final results. All right, guys. I zip tied, well, if it'll focus, I zip tied this box to this wiring that was already here, and I just kind of run that wiring back there. So not too bad, not too bad, not in the way, and it really don't look a lot different than the factory wiring that was already just laying there. All right, again, super easy install. Just want to show you this side. All I did, let's see if I can set the light up here. Okay, all I did, here's the big box on the light. I just zip tied this so it's out of the way, and I kind of tucked it in behind here. But all this wiring wasn't in the way like I thought it would be. So even though it looked like a lot, it hides well, and it's a super clean installation. Wow, Auxito has knocked it out of the park again, guys. If y'all need anything, visit Auxito's website. I'll link in the description box below. I'll also link these bulbs in the description below. But guys, check these out compared to those OEM halogen bulbs. I'm gonna flip it around and show you right now. Those look absolutely incredible. Let's go over here and shut the lights out, because I did a before clip earlier of the lights out. Don't know how well it'll turn, but let's flick these boys off. Oh yeah, guys, these look absolutely sweet. So compare this to the fog lights, because this is what the headlights looked like earlier. Alright guys, that's from today's video. Quick and easy install. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Auxito for sending us awesome LED bulbs for our cars here at Brian Lewis Vlog. As always, we appreciate you. Visit Auxito's website, use code Brian Lewis to save 15% on all bulbs on the website. Guys, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel. That's the best way to help us out here. Make sure you check out all the Amazon affiliate links in the description box below. Click on anything, purchase, no extra charge to you. I do get a small commission off of each sale. It really does help us out here. Guys, check out my wife and my friends' YouTube and Instagrams in the description box below. Those guys are awesome. Go show them some love. Guys, what do you think about the Auxito and Panda Motorworks banners here in the garage? Looks absolutely sick, guys. I've always dreamed of having a garage like this. Super pumped. I'm pumped to keep decorating it with stuff I like. And it was awesome to be able to hang two banners in here for my YouTube sponsors. So huge shout out to Panda Motorworks and Auxito. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time.